Welcome to my quick Proton VPN review. I'll cover everything you need to know about this popular VPN provider in about 5 minutes. Let's go. First, let me explain what Proton is all about and why it's such a fan favorite. Proton is a Swiss-based company dedicated to privacy-first services, founded in 2014 by a team of scientists from CERN through crowdfunding. Unlike mainstream competitors, Proton prioritizes privacy over profit, offering end-to-end encryption across its products, including Proton Mail, Proton Drive, and Proton VPN. With a strict no-logs policy and strong legal protections under Swiss privacy laws, Proton ensures user data remains secure and private. The company has never faced any major breaches or scandals and is currently transitioning into a non-profit organization to further solidify its commitment to digital privacy. Now let's review Proton VPN itself, starting with security. Can you trust Proton VPN? In short, yes. It's a privacy-focused VPN that upholds a strict no-logs policy, which has been independently audited and verified. This means that Proton VPN does not track, store, or share user activity, ensuring complete anonymity. It's also an open-source service, a rarity among the top VPN options. What that really means, though, is that its code is publicly available for scrutiny, so points to them for having such high levels of transparency and confidence in their product. Proton also comes with some extra security features. One of those is Secure Core, which routes traffic through privacy-friendly countries like Switzerland, Iceland, or Sweden before it reaches its final destination, adding an additional layer of protection. Moreover, Proton VPN includes all essential VPN features, like a kill switch, which prevents data leaks if the connection drops. Now, the experience using the Proton VPN is actually pleasant. It feels smooth and intuitive whether you're on desktop, mobile, or even a router. The app's interface is clean but gives off a techie vibe, especially with its interactive graphical map for selecting server locations, which I, as a graphical guru, find to be super useful. While it might take a minute for new users to get familiar with the layout, the learning curve is minimal, and everything is well organized. Plus, one subscription covers up to 10 devices, making it a great option for securing all of your and maybe even some of your friends and family's devices. Speaking of subscriptions, if you'd like to get Proton VPN at a discount, scan the QR code on your screen right now or click on the first link in the description. The best and latest deal will automatically be applied. Okay, back to the Proton VPN app. Beyond its sleek design, it offers all the essential VPN features, and navigating through settings is straightforward. If you're looking for specialty servers tailored for specific needs, each of these is marked in the server list with icons. These include P2P servers for secure torrenting, Tor over VPN servers for extra anonymity, and streaming optimized servers that help bypass geo restrictions on popular platforms. Of course, Proton VPN comes packed with more features than just that. One of those is NetShield, Proton VPN's built-in ad tracker and malicious site blocker. It improves browsing security and even speed by stopping unwanted ads and malicious scripts before they even load. Then there's Secure Core, which we touched on earlier in the security part. For those looking for speed, the VPN Accelerator will come in handy. This technology optimizes VPN performance, reducing latency and increasing speeds by up to 400%. Well, at least that's what Proton VPN claims. I've never gotten close to such a drastic increase, but it does help, especially with long-distance connections. But how are Proton VPN speeds in general? Well, in our tests, it was faster than some other best VPN providers, like ExpressVPN or CyberGhost. However, not as fast as NordVPN or Surfshark. Don't worry though, the difference is minimal, and Proton speeds are more than enough for even bandwidth-heavy activities like 4K streaming. With all that covered, we can answer the question, is Proton VPN good, with a yes. Overall, it's a solid VPN that you can trust with some nice additional features that come in handy. With that in mind, let's see how much it costs. Proton VPN is not the most affordable provider there is, but its price is justified. For instance, it's cheaper than ExpressVPN, but slightly more expensive than NordVPN. Of course, don't forget you can cut the price down by scanning the QR code or checking the link in the description for the best Proton VPN deal. As per usual, the longest commitment offers the best value. And the good thing is that all plans do come with a 30-day money-back guarantee, so you can test it out for free. As for the actual free version, it has no bandwidth limits, decent speeds, and solid security. However, it's limited to a few locations, offers no streaming or P2P, and can be used on one device only, unlike Premium's 10-device limit. While it's one of the best free VPNs, it's no match for the paid version. And that's about it in this Proton VPN review. Whew, I believe I managed to get it done in just about 5 minutes. Now, if you want to learn how to use Proton VPN, there's a tutorial video on screen. And if you feel prepared to use it already, don't forget about our discount deal on screen. All right, thanks for watching, and see you soon.